Hi, my name is Carla Conrad, Product Manager for Apricot. I'm excited to share what's new and coming soon for Apricot. We'll get started by talking about closed loop referrals. We released our first iteration of closed loop referrals in November 2021, making it possible for organizations in San Antonio, Baltimore, Minneapolis, Washington, D.C., and Fresno to make referrals via Apricot. This feature has enabled clients to now work with even more organizations across communities and truly stay informed about a participant's journey, even when they are receiving services outside of their own organization. Over the past few months, we have been so inspired by the connections made and the commitment to community-based approaches to care that we're excited to get this functionality out to all Apricot organizations and expand beyond our 5 inaugural cities. If you work with another Apricot organization and are interested in exploring closed-loop referral capabilities, please reach out to your CSM or Bonterra support team. Next up, program enrollments. Program enrollments is now available to all Apricot users. Enrollments will enhance the participant's enrollment and exit experience to allow standardized data collection and the ability to work with more than one participant at a time. This initiative is the first step towards improved tracking of the participant journey to better capture programmatic outcomes and helping organizations really understand the efficacy of your programs. With enrollments, you'll be able to enroll a participant in a program, exit participants from a program, attach a tier 2 to an enrollment, and last but not least, audit those actions completed throughout the enrollment process. Additionally, you do not need to have migrated to role-based permissions to use enrollments. Connect enhancements. We are so excited to have just released a Select All option in Apricot Connect. The new Select All option for participants and direct messages in Connect will improve the admin experience for high-volume Connect use. Users are now able to select all and deselect all participants with just one click. Now let's take a sneak peek on what's coming in the second half of 2022. Let's first have a look at single sign-on. We are really excited to get this one out the door. What does it mean for all of you? Well, Apricot clients will soon be able to configure their own single sign-on experience, leveraging their own identity providers to streamline the login experience and take control over user-level security. This will reduce the number of passwords your team needs to remember, decrease password resets, and ultimately increase staff productivity. Next, leveraging the Apricot Blueprints technology, our Apricot for Homeless Services clients will gain the benefit of a simplified management and deployment of updates as new requirements are released. A central deployment mechanism to manage updates for HUD will lead to a more seamless update cycle. Stay tuned for more details and a release date later this year. Inventory management. To better support even more community-focused organizations, inventory management is a critical component to better serve and track the availability of foods, beds, or other items that directly impact the outcome of participants through their programs. With that said, inventory is coming to the platform, and Apricot users can look forward to bed management first, where you will be able to manage supply, track availability, and report on the utilization of beds. Rules and alerts. Lastly, we are adding time-based alerts to the next evolution of our rules and alerts feature in Apricot. Our initial rules and alerts engine, which was released last year, has helped many of you improve your workflows. This added functionality will allow you to go a step further with the ability to set a time in the future, whether a birthday, compliance period, or a simple time pass check-in. We are enabling automation to free even more time and confidence in a caseworker's day. Adding time-based elements is another one of our most requested and upvoted idea portal submissions. We know that keeping track of everything all the time is hard. So we're with everyone who has asked for this, and we are very excited to be building it into the platform. Well, that's a wrap on Apricot. As always, we look forward to hearing your feedback and incorporating that into new features and enhancements. If you have ideas about things you would like to see on our product roadmap, remember to submit those via the Ideas portal in Apricot. We'd love to hear from you.